So murezimbabwe tiri kuzviziva zvitese kuti emerson dambudzo mnangagwa wadzoka kubva kusouth africa durban uko kwaanga ari kuti aite hand over the SADC chairmanship to the South African president Cyril Ramaphosa, and he did that. But at the same time, bigger fish to fry, bigger things happened whilst he was there, and no news outlet is reporting about this because they don't know about it. But fortunately, Cinema insiders are about new information. So first of all, publicly, Zimbabweans were watching Jacinta Ngobese achitaura kuti iye, first of all, she was complaining, she was talking nonsense, she was insulting Zimbabweans hanzi because pane kam profita pana right. I have to start doing something. Alright, Zimbabwe, a lot of you vanoziva kuti Nexus haangomuki achitaura kuti muprofita vakandiwa kana kuti ng'anga chakati kana kuti I don't respect none of them. Vanenge vachizvi vanhu vemweya vachinyepera vanhu vachibata vanhu kwiyo vachivhara vanhu. It is, I don't respect them. But anyway, I have realized kuti kushora maprofita, kushora church leaders, kuburikira uchiti John Masowe, vanhu vekuJohn Masowe vakabikwa. Even though you might be telling the truth, but it's dangerous. Don't do it. Because people will, just like, vanangodhinwa so fuck off. No, I'm never going to listen to Chinchons the Tapa Times about these Super Nexus programs. It is Dadudinio. Yeah, Dadudinio. And then you'll be like, my people, let's talk. Let's understand each other. Let's have discipline. Let's have this and that and that. So you ask for all these demands from people. You tell them all of these things for them to do. But the sooner you give them a Mercedes Benz and then you give them $100,000, they lose all of it. They don't even remember about togetherness. They don't even remember about anything else. They think about themselves, buying a brand new house, car, apartments, buildings, invest some money in this or that. That will make them more money. So if you think people are naive, if you think people don't know what they want, if you see fucking people, musicians, movie stars, actors, etc., Vanima, 1 million views, 1 million subscribers, 1 million followers, 10 million followers, chichichi from whatever platform you go to, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and whatever. I mean, it's just stream Zimbabwe. And since stream Zimbabwe is a problem because in Zimbabwe, there are just not as many options. We have to end up each and every day as the same guy. Bro. Une connection within chititira we isus. You understand? We're like, okay, we understand kuti imimi vakuru muZimbabwe. You do things for yourselves, you favor yourselves, you favor your friends, you favor the people you know. But how about us? Tisina what noziva. Tisina anot favor. Tisina anot tarisa oti. This is my special boy. Like maybe it's a father, it's an uncle, it's a big brother. Just nobody. My mother. Our mothers. Some of us. On a personal level. So then, what is going to happen tomorrow? So, takanzwa isusu kuti much and much Jacinta Ngobese vanga vakaplana kuti vachamacha nhasi, but it didn't happen. Mnangagwa ended up coming back to Zimbabwe. But the humiliation is serious, it's strong, it can never go anywhere. Because, when entire nations don't like you, don't love you, you don't have power to establish what you want, because motherfuckers like myself, kings, gods, will be living and dead and living, you know what I mean? So, Zimbabwe, these are the things that are happening. These are the things that are concerning Zimbabweans. These are the things that can change our lives. These are the things that should be pushed forward. Should be pushed to the forefront. That noise, fight, violence, and all of these things can never really solve the core problem. Right? So am I saying? What are we saying? Truth is also ZANU-PF, as we know it, and its culture and its people. You can see one thing about ZANU-PF: they are actually entitled. They think and feel like Zimbabwe belongs to them. Like when they speak, they are speaking on behalf of 100 comrades. And then look at me and they say, aha, ndiwanani kuti tiwana nexus utu. Tiri kuburikira nekupi? Tiri kubva nekupi? Tiri wrong. Twazocriticiza. Twazoita sei muri Zimbabwe. Inde ichida kungoti iyo government yamakaona ichisurvive, iri reliable, iri effective, isina military intelligence, isina military frauds, corruption, etc. It means that that society, according to the society, have made it big, have made it to the point where like success seems normal. Success is for them. Success is part of daily life. So vakawana goridhe ndokunoudza mapurisa Mnangagwa Akanyadziswa kuDurban, blah 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 blah. A lot of things that are happening, but I'm not telling myself in to the purple. Now, I want you to understand what are you saying? Is it true what you were saying? Do you even take it as important what you were saying? Because if you make it important what you were saying, it means what you were saying, you wanna clear it out, you wanna hear back. If you don't hear back what you were saying, if you are scared of the truth, if you are scared of your own voice, if you are scared of the consequences, if you are scared of people who voice their grievances, then at the end of the day, you were never a real leader. Then at the end of the day, you led the people astray. Because remember, pretty much thousands, wakachukua down, vanhu vanotofila down. Kuti Nexus, you have failed us. Chamisa, you have failed us. Kendrick, Chakadaro, you have failed us. Which is bad. So, Zimbabwe, we have to stay intact. We have to stay together. We have to be united more than ever before. We have to keep pushing forward. We have to raise our glasses even when we do a toast. Let's do a toast as a country. Let's do a toast to the success we're going to achieve as a country. Not kuti kwanza a toast is related to a royal blood, to the seasons, to the Mtapa, to the Zero. It's crazy. You cannot find everybody subscribing to that nonsense. It's crazy. So, remember, stay tuned. Peace.